We're coming to you from the Bangalore CDC, and joining us now is a very special guest, Dr. Sanjay Gambhir from ACOM. Welcome to W Media, sir.
I did.
Sir, I would like to begin by asking you about AI. There's a lot of anxiety, there's a lot of fear of uncertainty, but AI can also be empowering. So, could you tell us, set the context of sorts to explain to us why we should bet on AI?
Whenever new technology comes, it comes with some pros and some cons. The same is with AI. AI, as far as I understand, will make life easy for many people. It will help to make the world more flatter. Uh, if it is utilized properly by the governments around the globe, I'm sure will help to uplift the standard of living across the globe. Yes, there are certain risk which everybody is talking about, but anything good comes with some risk. That is what is my message. We have to safeguard those risks. How we do it? We have to make the secure implementation. That's very important. We have to put rules and regulation and the right policies in such a way that the misuse can be avoided. And that is how even in the past the technologies are have been evolving. And let's be positive on this, that we will the government and the enterprises will bring right norms, right safeguards in place so that AI is not misused.
Another way to make sure that we make the best of AI is to train people, not just in AI, but in all allied technologies as well. And there appears to be a skills gap. So, how do you propose we address that?
That's a very important and valid preposition which I see. As I say, with the help of AI, the knowledge will become free. It will be available to everybody. So if the knowledge is available, if the training modules are available, and they are available to each and every corner of the world, and be it an urban population, be it a rural population, the skill gap can be easily filled, and it will be much faster. You can imagine a situation that going to a remote area and opening a school and then getting the teachers there is a challenge. But making a module sitting in any part of the world and then propagating it to the remote corner of the world is as is the solution for the population of this world.
So, but there is another element to it. We always talk about how data centers are power guzzlers, and because of AI, there's even more pressure on compute power, and we're going to need more and more energy to power our data centers. But it is also true that AI can empower data centers to improve their power efficiency. There are several predictive models that can help data centers become more efficient. Could you shed more light on how AI can help data centers achieve sustainability goals?
There are many ways the sustainability of these data centers can be achieved. I will put that in 2 points. The first very important point is that with the help of AI, we can do the predictive maintenance. We can do the real-time energy consumption monitoring, and then take the right step to optimize energy consumption. So this is how the first step is. The second step will be the mix of renewable energies like solar, wind, hydrogen, and hydro. Now, we can have a smart grid. With the help of AI, we can control the availability of renewable energy uh, in combination with BESS. That's the storage, a battery storage system. So if we have the right combination, we have the right installed capacity, I'm confident that a data center can 100% run on renewable energy.
Wonderful. Let's now also talk about another important element, which is our data centers here in India. Are they AI ready? And if not, what needs to be done? What is your vision of an AI ready data center?
That's another irony, Dave, here. Uh, when we talk about the adoption of AI-based technologies in India, in Indian enterprises and within Indian population, it's the highest. We are at number one at the moment. The way the digitalization is happening in India, it's not happening anywhere else. So it means there is a need to have the data uh, centers which can handle AI-enabled services. So what does it mean? Today, all the AI, because our data centers are not AI, they cannot host AI applications. So those applications are being hosted at across the country at other locations, say in Europe or in US. But if we have the data centers which can take care of AI applications, then those hosting can be done in India. How do we do it? Today, when we see the data centers, the rack density is the data centers in India which can handle uh, these applications are only for the servers up to the rack density of, say, we are talking about a few tens of kilowatts at the moment. But when it comes to AI-enabled data centers, we have to increase these capacities. We are looking for data centers which can host rack densities up to, say, 200, 300, or maybe even beyond 500. And that's the need at the moment. And the technology is available. So the operators at the moment, they should go towards the design of data centers in such a way that AI applications can be hosted in their premises.
So I was wondering, what has your experience been so far? Did you enjoy your time at W Media CDC?
Yeah, it's good. They see the way the W Media is bringing all the stakeholders at the same platform and doing the brainstorming. I'm sure this is contribute to this sector uh, a lot. And when I see some of the discussions and the takeaways going to different stakeholders, including the government of India, including the operators, including the users, I'm sure there will be there will be collaboration. There will be a situation where we in India will move faster to meet the demands of data center.
Thank you so much for joining us today. It was a wonderful panel discussion that you were a part of, and this interview as well. It was very enlightening. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks.